Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to repair this Samsung AH64-02278Y CD DVD cassette FM AM player kind of thing. I want to repair it because I want to listen to my old tapes. We can insert them here. I want to listen to my CDs or watch my DVD movies from its DVD drive and listen to some radio music with this device. So the tape mechanism, the CD and DVD mechanism, and FM and AM is not working anymore because I haven't used this for a while, like 5 or 6 years. I haven't used it, so it's got many problems from the time that it was released. So we are gonna open it up, see what's the problems, fix one of them and test it out how it will be right. Looking at the back, we have antenna inputs for FM and AM radio. We have component, RCA and S-video outputs. We have speaker outputs for hi-fi systems and line inputs and outputs for connecting this to a TV, monitor or kind of like that things. So we need to make sure that this antenna, radio antenna cable, which connects from inside in here, is not broken. We need to check it first, and later we need to make a small antenna to receive the FM signals. So in my country, Azerbaijan, there are no AM radio, so I am not using these ones. I will use this port in here. So first of all, I get my screwdriver and start to opening it up. That screw doesn't want to come off, but I will try it out to come off. Okay, so when we removed our two screws, let's pull that thing off nicely. Let me get the focus to that. And here we have it. Here's the inside of our Samsung player. Let's see what's inside and what's the problems are. First of all, here's the CD DVD mechanism. As you can see in here, it can hold 3 DVDs, CDs, DVX, CDs, all of that kind in here, and you can play them. But one of it, you can see, laser can see one. And taking a look at the insides, there are many capacitors in here. I will test them if they work or not. As you can see in here, it's way dirtier than I expected. And here's the cassette mechanism. And I think the belt, it's good. The belt is not broken in the second cassette input. First one, it's not broken too. So we are happy with the cassettes. We can play them, but we need to get the FM working first. Looking at the inside, we can see that our FM AM tuner is right there. and the cable is coming off of it. So we need to check this board over there to make sure that that cable isn't loose after the years. When we take a look at this board, there is not much we can see in this side because the main board is inside. We only see the traces and the solder joints in here. Some chips are in here and below. And here's the cable connector. You can see it's not loose. It's in there properly. So we can fix it and get it work. So I screw it back and let's get our TV to make our antenna and listen to some radio. And here's the TV. Small LG Flatron M2294A LCD TV, which was made in 2009. Let's get all the cables and the power connected and get it work. I hope it works. We can get black and white video signal with these cables from the component, but I said that we can get color signal from the composite output, so I will use it. Let's connect them to the wall to get power. Let's the TV. And yes, it works. And our TV, let's get our input to AV, and there is no signal because this is in the demo mode. When I press this button, they should come. Here's this. And there will be static because there is no any antenna plugged into the antenna port. So we need to get it work. Let's get it to the 100 megahertz because it can be picked up very well. Otherwise we can try other frequencies. There's no signal, but we will try. Let's get this. I will make an antenna with this aluminium thing. Let's hope that it will work. I'm plugging it in. And there will be signals. Wait. And here it is. It can get radio very well. Let's try another megahertz. Changing megahertz in this Samsung boombox thing isn't that easy. You need to get it manually. Let's try 90 megahertz. Let's get it. Here's the music channel. Let's get it auto, and it can get radio signals from 65 megahertz to the 108 megahertz frequencies. Let's get another radio. Stop. Let's get manually to the 105 megahertz. And here's the 100.5. We can hear our music perfectly from here. Let's try other modes. Let's try AM. And in the AM 512 kilohertz, it's going automatically, but it can't find it could not find a channel, and now it can't because there is no AM channels in my counter. So other options are we can get DVD, CD working, we can watch DVDs, we can play CDs, video CDs, kind of like that, DVX things. We can get aux input from that line input in the back, as you can see in the TV, also in the front parts of this thing. You can put two microphones in here, you can connect a headphone to it, and here's the tape. You can listen to your cassette tapes from here. You can insert them and it will be just fine. You can copy a music from this cassette to another cassette. You can reverse them, so you can burn them. Like you can record your sound from radio to CDs, recordable CDs to cassettes, and cassettes from CD, etc. Like that kind of things. And this is the end of the video. I am very proud of myself because this is the first thing I have ever fixed in the radio technology things, radio and TV things. So thank you for watching. I will upload 2 or 3 more videos about radios, TVs and set-top boxes, repairing them or opening them up, seeing what's inside and giving a quick review of them. So goodbye, see you another video. Goodbye.